In this video, I'll show you how you can find players that you have played with before on Roblox. Now, first what you want to do is you want to head over to the web store and download Restore Old Roblox Server List. Just search for this on Google, find this logo and add to your Chrome. Now once you've added it to your Chrome, it should be up here. If not, you can click on this, pin it, so it will stay up here. Then what you want to do is click on it, enable auto search, and then find the game you played with the person. Let's say I just played VR Hangout and I want to find him. What I can do is press on it, press servers, scroll down, and with the extension you'll be able to see everyone who played on the servers, just like this. You can see all of their characters. Now keep in mind, if it's a much big server, you'll have to wait longer before it loads up like this. Now, if you know their username, you can also type it in here. But if you don't, you can simply find them from in here. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.